Do you drink Americano or long black? Hi, it's Dero the barista, and in this video I'd like to share with you the differences between Americano and long black. Today I'd like to share with you the differences between Americano and long black. They are all black coffees and they are all espressos diluted with water. Americano was first invented in Italy by the Americans who visited Italy, and they found the Italian espresso to be more strong. So they decided to add water, which resulted into Americano. And the long black was first served in New Zealand and Australia, specifically for the American tourists. So for today, our long black, we are using Ethiopian beans. We're going to grind 20 grams of it to ensure like it's 20 grams. We're going to tamp it and level it very well for a better extraction. For our long black, we're going to first put the water into the cup. So we're going to use 100 grams of water, then extract an espresso of 30 grams out. As the coffee is extracting, I would like to tell you briefly about the long black. Since the espresso is extracted on top of hot water, for your first sip you will have a more stronger taste of coffee, but as the coffee cools down and you continue drinking it, the caffeine lessens and it becomes like a less stronger cup. And for our Americano, we grind the same grinds of beans. We're using same Ethiopian beans. We grind 20 grams of coffee grinds. We weigh it to ensure it's 20 grams. Then tamp it and level it very well. It's the same process, but for the Americano, we first extract the espresso. We're going to extract 30 grams of espresso. It's a bit a similar process, but for the Americano, we first extract the espresso, then later on add on the water on top of the espresso to make a perfect mixture of the coffee. For the Americano, we'll extract 30 grams of espresso out. So, I would like to tell you something small about the Americano. The Americano, we first extract the espresso, then add hot water. Same process, we're going to put 100 grams of water into the espresso. For the Americano, it gives a well-balanced cup and it has a well-balanced taste of the caffeine. Being a barista, I've come to discover like these two coffees are totally different by the way they're being prepared and the way they taste. Americano is well balanced since the water is mixed in the espresso, which gives an even balance of the taste. And for the long black, since the espresso is poured on top of hot water, its taste, it starts with a high caffeine. Later on, the caffeine decreases to make it a lesser stronger cup. So next time if you're to order a long black or Americano, I hope you notice the differences and the taste differences. Thank you so much for watching. For any comments, questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. I'll be uploading more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.